In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can go to page layout view in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Excel, or if you already have your document or Excel sheet document, you can simply open that. So once you are in the document, just simply look at the ribbon at the top and you can find the View tab. And here you can find page layout. Okay, so see how your printed document will look like. This is a good way to check out where pages begin and end and to see any headers or footers on the page. So in order to go to page layout view, then simply click on that. And that's it. You can also add header from here and then a footer if you want to. And you can also add data. Just click on each sheet in the Microsoft Excel. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.